What's up, brothers? It's Fonte here, and I have here a package from Honor. Okay? Another package. And inside we have Honor 50 Lite. It's a decent phone from Honor. This is the phone itself. What we have here? Silicone cover, pink, pink, pink. Okay, that's cool. What next? Nothing. And here we have supercharge power cord, 66 watts. Very nice, very nice. And this is USB-C, USB-A cable. Nothing special. So this is the package. And this is the Honor 50 Lite. Wait for it, wait for it. This is the blue variant. Wow. Very nice phone. Not for sale, of course, because this is my phone. Very nice phone. Very nice camera. So we have here the fingerprint scanner, volume rocker, USB-C, speaker right here. On the left is nothing, and this is audio jack. Here we have another speaker. The speaker is right here, brothers, right here. So this is the welcome screen. Welcome to Honor family. So 1, 2, and of course, brothers, because this is not Huawei, we have here the Google services and everything we need. Dun, 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 dun. So brothers, this is the main screen of the Honor 50 Lite. Let's dive into settings. Settings, scroll down, system and updates. What is okay? There is Magic UI 4.2. If I go back, about phone, we can see Android 11. Sorry. Okay, Android 11. It's a cheap phone, so we have here the IPS display. On the back we have the quad camera setup. The primary sensor is 64 megapixel, the ultrawide is 8 megapixel, and macro and depth sensors 2 megapixel. We can shoot full HD video with this phone. On the front we have 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Inside is 4300 milliamp battery. This is the 6 gigs of RAM variant with 128 gigs of storage. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 662. The Android security patch level is from 1st October 1st. Because this is IPS, the always-on display is not available, and the display is 60 Hz, not 90 or 120 Hz. Let's try the camera, brothers. Boom shakalaka. And a very nice photo we have here. And let's try video. I will show you the settings. We can shoot up to 1080p, 30 FPS. There's nothing else. This is Magic UI 4.2. We have here the Google Discover. On the left, of course, the notification panel is the Alt EMUI. I would say Google Play Protect is turned on. This is a Google Play GMS phone. Very nice, very cool. I like especially the back of this Honor 50 Lite. Very nice camera setup. So brothers, this was unboxing and first look on the Honor 50 Lite, cheap and affordable smartphone with Google mobile services. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out and stay Fonte, brothers.